Hello everyone, this is Jesse Reddy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll discuss about the LoadRunner overview. Here, LoadRunner is one of the leading performance testing tool. Initially, it was developed by Mercury. After some years, it's acquired by HP and Micro Focus. Recently, it's acquired by OpenText. Now, LoadRunner is a part of the OpenText performance engineering. Okay, the LoadRunner is a licensing tool based on number of users and protocol bundles. We can buy the licenses here. Here, LoadRunner can simulate thousands of virtual users to check the application behavior. This is brief about the LoadRunner. Okay, the LoadRunner supports different protocols. Okay, the one is web HTTP HTML. The other one is web services. Next one is Citrix ICA. We have SAP Web Protocol, JDBC Protocol, RTE Protocol, and WinSocket Protocol. Okay, first we will discuss about the web HTTP HTML protocol. Okay, this protocol supports for all web applications which has HTTP communication. That is about the web protocol. The other one is web services. Whenever we have a web services like SOAP or REST, then we are going to use the web service protocol. The other protocol is Citrix ICA. Whenever we have a Citrix applications which are hosted on Citrix servers, at the time we are going to use Citrix ICA protocol. The next protocol is SAP Web Protocol. Whenever the application has been developed in SAP, then we are going to use the SAP Web Protocol here. The next protocol is JDBC. Whenever we want to measure the responses for the DB queries, then we are going to use JDBC protocol. The next protocol is RTE protocol. Whenever we have a non-GUI applications like a mainframe application, then we are going to use RTE protocol here. The next one is WinSocket protocol. Whenever application doesn't support any protocol, then we are going to use WinSock protocol. In WinSock protocol, the data shows in a binary format. That means it shows zeros and ones. This is about the protocols. Okay. The next one is components of LoadRunner. In LoadRunner, we have a different components like Vusion. It's a virtual user generator. Next one is controller, analysis, load generator, and agent process. These five components are available in the LoadRunner. Let's discuss about the Vusion here. Here Vusion means virtual user generator. Okay, using this Vusion, we have to record the script and we have to do the enhancement. The enhancements are correlation, parameterization, transaction points, checkpoints. If required, we have to write some custom code. Okay, these are all the enhancements are there in the scripting. Okay, the executable file here is vusion.exe. Okay, if you install this vusion.exe, automatically Vusion component should be installed in your desktop or any other shared drive. Okay, next one is controller. Okay, using this controller, we can execute multi-users business scenario. That means we have to design the schedule based on your test. The test means whether it is a load test, stress test, endurance test, or capacity test. Okay, based on number of users and based on the scripts, we are going to design the schedule in the controller. The executable file here is wlrun.exe. If we want to install only controller, then we have to click on this wlrun.exe file. Automatically, the controller should be installed in the desktop. This is about the controller. The next component is analysis. Okay, using this analysis, we have to analyze the test results. This executable file is analysisui.exe. This is about the analysis component. The next one is load generator. Here load generator means it will generate the amount of user load on the different systems or locations. Okay, for example, here the each load generator supports 200 concurrent users means if you want to execute 1000 users, then we need a 5 load generators here. Next one is agent process. Here agent process usage is it communicates between load generator and controller. Okay, the executable file is here magentproc.exe. This is about the components. The next one is load runner architecture. In the load runner architecture, we have a different components and different servers here. The components are Vusion, controller, analysis, and load generators. And the servers are we have web app server, middleware server, and DB servers. Okay. Using this Vusion, we have to build the script. Once the script is ready, then we can keep the script in the controller. In controller usage is we have to execute with multi-user load. Okay, for example, whenever we want to keep more number of users, then we are going to use the different LJs as shown in the diagram. Once we send the request, then it goes to web app server. From there, it goes to middleware server. From middleware server, it goes to DB server. Then we will get the response from DB server to either controller or load generators. Okay, this is the request flow for the load runner architecture. Okay, once the test is done, we have to generate the analysis file. There we have to analyze the test results. Okay, this is a brief about the load runner architecture. Okay, this is overview of the load runner. Okay, like and subscribe for more performance testing concepts.